Hello guys, this is your girl Yoli and you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. So guys, tonight is date night and I'm like, let's do a little get ready with me with my lifestylers. It's been a long time since I've done a get ready with me. So I'm like, okay, let me pick up the camera and do a get ready with me. Guys, I went ahead and I did my makeup. I'm going to come in at the light so you guys can see it. Yeah. I did a little something. Nothing too crazy, guys, because actually it's just a little, it's not one of those fussy date night. It's just a little, what do you call it? Just a little kind of dressed down date night, we just need some quality time away from the kids. Yeah. And a little one-on-one to just sit down and talk. And yes, I'm like, let me do a little get ready with me. So guys, okay, if it's your first time over here, welcome to my channel. And if you like what you've seen so far, why not just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn your post notification on so whenever time I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. And if you're a new subby over here or just a passerby, just drop in the comment section, say new subby in the building. Yes guys, I really love interacting with my subby over on this channel, and give your girls a thumbs up because support goes a long way. And for my real OGs that support me week after week, every time I drop a content, every time I drop a blog, thank you so much for your support and I love you guys. Anyways guys, let me just show you. I'm gonna show you the fit that we're wearing tonight. And guys, I'm showing you outside. Obi just come upstairs, come let me know say it's snowing. Let me show you what's going on outside. I don't know if you guys could see, but this is what's going on outside. But we're still gonna go outside. Yeah, I just are going outside. That's what's keeping. Let me show you the fit. So guys, I think my aunt have on a little makeup, I don't want to mess up my top. So guys, I have this Adidas fit right here. So this is a Adidas sweater. Guys, I think I got this from in the fall. So that's a Adidas sweater and a Adidas skirt, guys. Yep, that's the sweater and the skirt. I have this top. Guys, this is how the top come, and a me tie it up. This is how the top come. I have this DKNY top, and then I have this Puma top. Which one I'm wearing, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try it with this one first. I don't know, or this one. And guys, I got okay. These two blouse I got at Winners. That skirt suit, I got that on the Adidas website in, I think, in the fall. So Obi, this is Obi fit. Obi wearing a tracksuit, a Nike tracksuit, and a t-shirt. Yeah, it's really a dress down night. So guys, I have this bag that I took out to wear, or I was thinking to wear the white one to kind of dress up the outfit a little, even though it's casual. Let me know which one you would wear. And then I have my sneakers. Now guys, let me show you my sneakers. And I have this sneakers here. It has a little red on it, so I'm thinking I could wear either bag. Either bags would work, really. Yeah. Do I have a socks? Guys, I wanted to do like a high socks, but I was looking for a red socks, but I didn't, you know, I never remember. And I had this, I didn't even remember, guys, that I had this fit here. So anyways, guys, I'm going to get dressed. I'm going to put on the top, then I dress with you guys, all right? What's up? So guys, I hope you could see me. So I decided to go with the with this top here, the DKNY top. So let's put on the skirt. Guys, I lost a lot of weight, so this skirt, I don't know how it will fit. So let me see. Oh, you guys think the skirt fit with this? I'm gonna look in the mirror, guys. Yes. The mirror is over here. Do you like it, Promise?
Yeah.
Baby, like it? Oh, I have a little mirror here.
He still like it.
Huh?
He said he's like it.
He said he like it? So guys, what do you think? Because I have on the makeup, I'm not gonna go and change it up. I think I like it.
Where are you
with
going?
This top. We're going on a date. Dad's taking me on a date. Yeah.
Going to?
So guys, this is the fit. Let me put on. Guys, I'm thinking if I should wear. I wish I had like a colored socks. It would sell this outfit. It would be sold. Guys, I find one foot of Adidas socks. Actually, I found another foot.
How do you know that?
So I have this socks here, or the short socks. Let's see which one. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see me.
You're right there.
So I'm gonna put this one. Let me see. No, I don't think so.
Santa Claus. I didn't use this for.
And then these are the little.
I know that. We use it as a Christmas
It's snowing. I don't even think I can. No, guys. I think I'm gonna stick to
No.
No, I'm gonna go for the low one. If it was like a red sock, next time. If it was like a red socks, but I'm gonna just go with the ankle socks. Let me see. Yeah. Which one do you think, babe? Ankle? Yeah. Eh?
Yeah.
Sorry, Promise. Guys, I'm gonna go with the ankle socks. And you guys, you know the other, I saw the perfect
Mommy, look at me.
red socks the other day online, and I didn't get it because I didn't remember about this outfit.
Hello guys, it's the weekend. We're going to have some fun. Channels. So this is my mom, my dad, and these things are cool. Look at that. You like it?
I hired that already. That.
So guys, what's this?
That's not what you were gonna
It's
get?
mom's turn.
Huh? You know where the.
Okay guys, you ready? Let's Mama, happy birthday. And Mommy.
What?
Hey guys, these light jangles. You can see.
Promise. Excuse me.
I'm joining too.
Guys, let me put on the sweater. I have a black Adidas leather jacket. Oh, I like how it's coming out. Do you like it?
Yep. Here's some lipstick. Want some lipstick?
No, I have one already. Promise.
Yeah.
So guys, I think I could wear it. Open.
Open, guys.
I think I could wear it open, or let's see it closed.
Thanks, we can.
Either one looks good. What y'all think?
It's good.
Let me give you a
Oh.
modeling.
Do.
So guys, I got this bag.
Yeah.
Let me see.
We.
I think I'm gonna. Sorry, no promise. Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, man.
I think I'm gonna rock.
There's light.
I have promise.
I want to pass it.
I'm looking in this.
Wait, where did you get?
Excuse. Go over there. Go.
Oh.
Evacuate the building. Because I have this. Or I can do this. I think I'm gonna do this, guys. I think I'm gonna do this. Promise? Don't be walking on my clothes, please.
That's what I mean you feel something else.
So guys, I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with this. I don't even think I'm yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this. Let me know what you guys think of the fit. So now I'm gonna put on some jewelry, guys, and then I will come back and I will show y'all what I decided on wearing. So guys, I'm gonna change my earring, put on something more, stand out a little bit more, since my outfit is a little simple. So I have these earrings. I'm gonna put them in. What do y'all think? It's okay, right? Not too much. Yeah, I don't think it's too much. You guys think it's too much? I don't think it's too much, guys. I don't think it's too much. We'll fix this a little. Okay. I have this necklace. I'm gonna go gold accessories, guys. So put on that necklace. I could have done silver too. Either would work. I have this ring. Gonna put it over here. Yeah. And the scent for the night is J'adore. You can tell someone never use it yet, guys. I got it for Christmas. It's my first time using it. Not even didn't know how to open it. Oof. That's good. So yep, guys, let me put this out and show you the fit. Can you guys see? Okay, let me take off this headband. You guys right here so scratch me. I'm gonna put this out a little, guys, so you guys can see me. Oop. Still can't see the whole thing. Oh God. Let me see if I can. Oh, I'm just gonna take this off the stand and then I will let you guys see the entire fit. Yes, so guys, I am ready to go. I'm gonna get cracking because it's snowing outside and we're going all the way to Toronto. Yeah, so let me show you the fit and then we're gonna head out, all right? So guys, here's the fit. Here's the fit, guys. Guys, I would have like a higher, like I wanted a higher socks, but hey, but the fit is fitting. What y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you like my fit and if it's something that you guys would wear. And I got it from Adidas, but I got it quite a while now. I got this from in the fall. Yes, and the inside blouse is from Winners. All right, so guys, I'm gonna throw some stuff in my bag and I'm gonna head out. All right, see y'all on the road. This is what date night is giving. What a night we decide. Huh? This is what date night is giving. Oh my God. Aquan, close the door. Ooh, jeez. Guys, I have to take off my shoes and wear my Uggs. Whoa. You gonna have to come out later and shovel some of this, man. God. Look at my shoes. Murder. Oh, so look at this. Guys, I have to take off my shoes from there. Had to take it off. Hey, lifestylers. So here I am, have to be given another voice over because there's something going on with my brand new iPhone audio. I don't know what's going on, but it's very disappointing because, guys, we were chatting up a storm. I'm gonna try and remember now what we were talking about. But guys, I think at this point we were en route to Toronto, guys. We wanted to go to Crab Boils in Toronto, guys. But when we got on the highway, we were like, oh my God. Is this the right thing we're doing, guys? We were just contemplating and wondering if it was the best move we were making because by this time it was about 8 o'clock and the GPS said that we wouldn't get there until like 45 minutes before closing because of all the traffic that was on the highway. So, at this point, me and Obi, we're in the car and we're like, what do we do? What do we do? So, eventually, we decided that we were gonna go to one of his favorite spot in Hamilton. Yes, guys, because my Obi guys is very picky. He is very picky. For me eats any and anything. Any and everything. Let me fix that. Not any and everything, but me eat most things. I am not picky. I am a foodie. I like to try. I like to try different things. For him, no, he doesn't like to try, different things. So when we go out on date night, it's limited, It's very limited. Like the things that he will eat, yeah, it's very limited. So we always have to keep, like repeating spots or going back to the same spots, right? So, guys, by this time now, I think, we fully decide now, say, we are gonna go to August 8th. Yeah, that's all you can eat restaurant in Hamilton. Um, it's been over a year, I think, since we been there last, because I think last year, the beginning of the year, they had a fire and they were closed for quite some time. So, you know, it's somewhere that we normally go and we're sure about the food because we both enjoy the food. Yeah, so, by this time we decide, say, yeah, we're heading to August 8th to eat some food. Yeah, so guys, me don't know what I was saying to you guys, because guys, the way this audio is long, I was chatting up a storm, and I can't believe that there's absolutely no audio on this vlog. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna cut it here. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it here. We're going to August 8th. August 8th it is. So I guess our next date night, we can go to Crab Boil in in Toronto when, the weather permits. Our next time we leave out early enough that even if the weather is bad, we make it on time and, we enjoy a little even out. But nevertheless, we did enjoy our time at August 8th. Yeah, we did. Anyways, guys, sorry that there's no audio. I'm gonna get this phone dealt with, so yeah, we can have better content, Alright, hope you guys enjoyed, nevertheless. a little blurry. They changed things up a bit.
Do you want to all you can eat dinner
Yeah.
menu tonight?
Oh, yeah.
Any food allergies?
Last time. I had this coming from
Go show, look to it there.
when you go back to the press back. Already eat last time.
We start with the shrimp.
Yeah, my dad is better than the
Yes,
other
we started. No, let's started on this one, the shrimp. Chicken skewer. You want that one? Huh?
The steak one time.
You want two of that? You want to try that? One. Then the assorted, but I want just the shrimp. Want chicken wings?
One second.
No, you don't like it?
Okay, yeah, one of
Okay, so until that's huh? 42. And the drink. You see?
I'll come up with the rest of the
Yeah, they show you already over. So guys, let me show. Guys, just in case you decide, so dinner, all you can eat, is $42 per person. The drinks is $7.99. So total, and Babe might have another, what do you call it? Okay. Italica tip. Yeah, but. So guys, this is how it comes out, guys, in like a small portion. Oh, it is. Huh? 12? Guys, you don't know if you use this one. Sure. Wow. What we can do this? But because of my braces, I had to chew. Thank you. Cheers, babe. Huh? I know. What is this? Anything? Cheers.
Right like this.
Mine will taste good. You taste it? Very fresh. You have alcohol in it? Huh? You taste it? It's fresh. I forgot to say it to them. Hmm? This looks like unless we not order the right thing. The color and strawberry daiquiri.
No pineapple.
Huh?
Okay.
These don't taste, they're pretty fresh. Are they different?
So it's mixed with real fruit.
Even this is really fresh. It doesn't.
After boy, it's too good in it.
Hi. Fresh though.
Yeah. Do you guys taste the alcohol? Is it
No.
not enough for you guys?
It's not even the alcohol too. It's like really fresh. Like
Right.
it's not sweet. It's really. It's just like ice with something. That's how it tastes to me.
That's how it tastes to you. Do you guys want us to remake it? I can remake it for you guys. You guys want for the pina colada too?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Can the ice don't come over like that?
Sorry?
The ice is like
We
too
don't
much
want it
to-
running over like that.
Oh, okay, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll let them know. I'll let them know.
Sorry about that.
Actually, could I get a sangria instead?
A sangria?
Instead of it,
You guys white or red?
red.
Red
For
sangria?
me, but you could
I'll
get
have
it.
the peanut colada.
peanut
Okay, for
colada.
sure. Yeah, no worries. I'll let them know.
Alright.
Sorry about that.
Okay.
Just like peanut colada.
So guys, who's this calling? Hold on. What is this, chicken skewer?
I have no idea.
Yes. Guys, the drink wasn't drinking.
Excuse me, sorry. Did you say red or white sangria again?
Red.
Red. Okay, yeah.
It's hot. Warm.
It's a nice pepper.
You want more napkins? Yeah. Yeah, guys, they not start off good at all. They bring juice while running over. You want to try that spicy salmon taco? No? Shrimp taco? I'm showing you the menu. I love I'm gonna try the California. Guys, this is shrimp tempura. Like it. Dip it in the teriyaki sauce. But it's hot. Guys, we should listen here and try and pick this up. No, Omega do this with my braces. Because you can't bite in a tooth.
Excuse me, Red Sangria.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Enjoy.
Guys, this is good. What is in it? Yeah. Really? Thank you. Thank you. Yep. Taco, guys. So we have salmon. We have salmon taco. We have shrimp taco over there. We have chicken skewer. We have shrimp tempura. And we have sushi. And rice coming. Thank you. Thank you.
And the food is good so far?
Yes, yes. Thank you. Guys, we're boss. Guys, we're boss. The brace is tired. I love everyone. Dance for the video. Very good. I'm up here for
Color reggae.
oh, what?
Reggae. Color reggae. Aquarian. Color reggae.
No?
Aquarian.
When? How are you?
Or the R&B.
Guys, right here, I'm just dancing away, guys. Me a dance away, and I'll be just eating food and a minding business. Guys, I'm just enjoying myself, eh? Whether or not you want to join the party, me I enjoy myself. Yeah. Yep, guys. See, start and enjoy the party. Guys, we're busted. You're busted, babe? What? The belly full? Oh, yeah.
Whatever munch can still.
You eat, babe.
The rice there.
You eat, man. You really eat this time. But you see for belly and charge you for nothing. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah. Catch you on
I'm in the one. Underneath my nose.
Right? No, guys, you think so now I understand. Welcome to Canada. This is Canada. But guys, this weather was boots and something weather. Not my good shoes. Oh, see it, babe. What is this?
Where they outside? You're lucky you find it back. Snow never cover it up.
It did, but it's something black. Oh, God.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just